Hello, in this video we are going to see how we can find an element using nRoBo. So let's copy this previous example, paste here and change the script name, find element. So here example of find element. So here page is open, then let's find out the locator for A/B testing, and that is href/A/B test. So let's copy, Control F and paste. Okay, so we are going to use this CSS locator. This is unique locator, returns only one element, so that is pretty enough. Let's create lnk ab testing equals by dot css selector and locator. Let's change the inverted comma, use of single inverted comma, because double inverted comma is used inside the locator. And now let's find the element using find element, passing locator, reference to locator, and then click on it. Okay, just for illustration purpose, let's wait for 5 seconds and let's run it. -hyphen key test method name. So find element will return a web element, and we have to make sure that the locator that we are passing must unifiedly identifies the element. So let's change. Okay, let me find out here. So here we had to pass reference, but we pass string. So because that is a tuple, that's why we have to pass reference of locator. So rerunning the test started running, finding an element and click on it. That's it. Thank you.